guys! Welcome to my scrappiness! Hey guys, it's Marissa again, and it's time to show you the July mini kit Monday kit that I put together, and this is the inspiration to this challenge. So I decided to create July 4th. I went ahead and zone in on the inspiration, which is the July 4th portion of the inspiration. And so I gathered here as much as I can, what I could find easily on my stash here, some products for this challenge. And I know it's a lot, and you know me, I know for a fact that I am not going to use all this, but they're here just in case I need them. Anyway, you've seen this already. This is the Sticko cardstock here, and this is the roadmap, and I got this from our favorite store, Tuesday Morning. This is another Sticko, and yes, it's showing up again because I love this. And actually, I think you only get one. I have three in here. One sheet of these alphabet stickers, and they're foam. They're from Walmart. And guys, look at all those alphabets that I pulled out. I was just trying to find out the colors, the red, white, and blue, and I wanted them in different shades. So here's another one. I'm looking at the letters, not so much as the rest of the stuff here. Here's one from Kaiser Craft. It's red, and then we have the skinny from Doodlebug, and I really love how bright blue this is. I have an old Thickers vinyl, and this is Poolside, and it's an old one. As you can tell, it's lifting on the side, but I don't really mind the lifting because it adds characters, and it will add an added texture. Another Kaiser Craft, and this is ebony. It's more like a grayish color. Another Kaiser Craft sticker, and this is white, and they're small, they're 1/2 inch size. And then I found this. I was so excited to see this, and this is from our favorite store again, from Tuesday Morning, and this is a glittery, I don't know if you can see the glittery, and I'm sorry for the glare if you're catching it, but it's glittery red. And then I found this Sticko alphabet sticker, and it's white. Then I have had this for a while, and I think I'm gonna go, I'm not sure if I'm going to use them, but this is from Jelly Bean, and obviously these are wood veneers. They have the explosion, the stars, the clouds, the hearts, the butterflies, the dog bone, and this looks like leaves and push pins. And so I'm thinking, if anything, I'm probably going to end up using the stars and the explosion over here. Not sure yet. Then another item from our favorite store, Tuesday Morning. This is Pen Pals. I just like the stickers here. I'm not sure if I will be able to use it, but I'm adding it here. Another wood veneer, and this is all cameras, again from our favorite store, Tuesday Morning. It's by American Crafts, Do It Yourself, and there's 2 sizes of cameras here. This is a rub-on, and this is obviously a scrap rub-on, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, this came from My Mind's Eye or Basil. It's one of the 2 brands. So anyway, this is an extra from one of the projects that I used, and I plan to use this. So I'm going to put this on the side so I won't lose it. So I'll have a tendency to lose it. This is a cut up parts and some scraps that I've used from previous layouts that I've done, July 4th layouts. So I might end up using some of this and maybe not. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and put them here together with this kit so I can have an option, if you will. So I'm gonna put this here underneath all this alphabet letters. And then I found this, and it's like, oh my gosh, it's perfect, it's a flag. Then I looked at it closely. It's not really a flag, it's just they designed the puffy stickers here and to make into a flag, but I cannot, there's no way to peel it you know, like as a one sticker. So we'll see how I'm going to use this later, if I'll not even sure if I'm going to be able to use it. Again, this is from our favorite store, and I bought this in May of last year. So it's puffy stickers. Then I have these papers here. This is by American Crafts, and I have two of this. I love this flag paper. It's just that I'm gonna try and figure out how I'm going to not cover the whole thing so you can still see it's a flag. So we'll see what I can do with that. And like I said, I have two of this, and there's a cardstock that got inserted in there, but I will be using white cardstocks here for this particular projects or kit. This is an authentic Liberty Details. This is a detail sticker. So I'm definitely going to use some of the stickers because they are so cute. And I think, I'm not quite sure, I think I got this from Scrapbook Expo, from one of the Scrapbook Expos I attended. I normally attend the ones in California. They used to have one in Santa Clara. And I've picked up some stuff there from Santa Clara. Then also I also frequent Ontario and the one in Pomona. So I'm sure you've already seen my videos on that. This is Bella Boulevard Papers, Fireworks and Freedom. This was released last year, but I really love it. So this is the borders. Actually, I have two of this, and this is the back side of it. So this is really cute. That's borders. Then we have Land That I Love. I love that. And this is the back. This is the cut apart that they have, and this is Daily Details. I just love all this 4th of July, very colorful prints here. And then this is the back. The truck, oh my gosh, I really love the truck. And look at that, how so cute. They have fireworks at the bed, truck bed. And then this is the back. And then we have the patriotic, just stars. And then here's sort of like a plaid at the back. We have Celebrating Freedom Constitution. This is by Bo Bunny, and I have two of this. And then this is what it looks like at the back. Again, another paper from Bo Bunny, same collection. This is Celebrating Freedom Patriotic. It's a cut apart. I just love that. I know I'm gonna use this. I have a Liberty Bell picture here that I'm gonna use, and I love the back. Look at that, guys. And I'm really bumming because now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, I should have grabbed two of this. Anyway, another Bo Bunny, same collection. This is Celebrating Freedom Blessed, another cut apart, guys. How cute is that? And then at the back is ice cream cones. Same collection, Celebrating Freedom Beauty this time. Most flowers, red, white, and blue. And this is the back. This is Simple Stories, Let Freedom Ring. And this is the only paper I have. Again, it's a cut apart. And this is what it looks like at the back. Now, I got this paper pad. This is Vintage Nation. I got this paper, I think I want to say it was last year that I got this paper. This is from Hobby Lobby. And I think they were on 50% sale when I grabbed this. But look at the papers, guys. They're all one-sided, but they are so nice, vintagey colors. So I'm not quite sure. I know I'm going to use some of this. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to use the whole pad, but I'm going to be able to use some of this and play with this as we go along with our 4 layouts that we're going to create for this mini kit challenge, mini kit Monday challenge. Now here comes our cardstocks. So I have white cardstocks. I have 2 different cardstocks here, two reds of 2 different shades, one lighter and obviously the other one darker. And a lot of this one I bought from Recollections. This is a Recollection spread. The white one is American Crafts, and also this red one is American Crafts. So Recollection and both of these are American Crafts. Now, we have here, obviously, a Recollections brand from Michaels. It's Craftsmith. And I am not sure, but this is all different shades of blue. What I meant by I am not sure is I am not sure which shade of blue I'm going to use, so I brought it all out. So this is here for our use for any of our layout. So I am also going to probably end up pulling some punches, pulling some of my tools. I'm hoping to use the Cricut Joy, and we'll see what how it all turns out. And then I'm also thinking of using, of course, my Kiwi Lane templates. That's it for the kit, and watch out for the layouts coming up within this month. I'll also show you some hauls, and hopefully I will get the theme for July for the cards. That way we can also play with some card making, and that's basically it. So watch out for everything that's coming up in July, and I will catch you guys later. Bye!